Yes, good morning dear students. See how we can find the square root using long division method. I have already described the steps in the video which I have made for concept, and you people have already gone through it. Let us practice the worksheet so that the steps becomes easier to us. Unless and until you do practice, you cannot learn the steps. Okay, so let us see how we can find the square root of the first one, that is 9801. Children, step 1 is to pair up the digits. Now see, 98 and 01, we have two pairs here. Now let us see the next step. What is the next step? The next step is to start reading the square tables. So see, the first two dividend digits are 9 and 8, so 98. Let us start. So 9 nines are 81 and 10 tens are 100. So first we will take 9 nines are 81. So we shall subtract here, then add 9 here. Okay, so we will get 18 and one place will keep vacant for our next step. So 8 minus 1 is 7 and 9 minus 8 is 1. Now what we are going to do for the next step, we'll bring down this next pair. Therefore now our number is 1701. Now you have to fix one digit here which will be suitable to get our next step complete. Now see here how we will read the table from here. 181 ones are, 182 twos are, 183 threes are, like this. Here the last digit is 1. So last digit 1, when does last digit 1 comes? Either in case of 1 or in case of 9, because see 9 nines are 81 and 1 ones are 1. If you go for 181 ones are, so it will be less. So let us see for 189 nines are. I am doing the rough work here. Okay, so 189 nines are, let us see, 9 nines are 81, 8, 9 eights are 72 and 8 is 80. So 8 left, 9 ones are 9 and 8, 17. So 9s are, we will put 9 here. So we will get 1701. So here remainder is 0. Again you have to add 9 here. So 9, 9, 18, 1, 9 and 1. Here we are getting 198 and here we are getting 99. Quotient is 99. And so whatever is left here, it is always the double of quotient. If it is coming double, that means your process is correct. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be root of 9801 is equal to 99. Now let us proceed to the next. Again see, here if we will start pairing from the units place, so units place and tens place one pair and hundreds place and thousands place one pair. So we will write like this with gap between the pairs. Now see, 65, you know nicely the first step, start tables. So 8 8s are 64, you are left with 1. Here you will add 8, 16 your addition, and you leave one place vacant here so that you can read the next table and then bring down this 61 from the dividend. Now you have 161, it's very clear. See here 16 and 161. So 161 ones are 161. Here you have written 1, that means 1 will come here also. So here this will be 162 and here you will subtract. So you will be getting 0. See how easy this one is. So what is your final answer here? Root of 6561 is equal to how much? 81. So let us see next, third question. Okay. Now the third one is 3,90,625. Again let us do the same thing. 25 will come in one pair, 06 will come in one pair, and 39 will come in one pair. Okay, so let us keep a gap between the pairs and write it down again. See, this is how we can write. We can write the quotient here also. If you want, you can write here or here also. Now see, this is 39. So 6 6 are 36 will be our first table. So we are left with how much? 3 here. Will bring down 06. Okay. Now see, plus 6, 12, and one place vacant for the next cycle of steps. Now see, this is 6 here. So for 6, what table will you read? 6 6 are 36. Okay. So 126 6, if you go 6 1s are 6, it will come, so it will not be suitable. Here we have to see 3. Either the product should be equal to 306 or less than that. So if we go for 3 also, see 3. So we have 123. Then 20 is more than 100 plus 20. So it will be 360 nearly. So we cannot go for 3 also. So the suitable number will be 2 here. So 2 up, 2 down, and then 2 in the quotients place. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So subtract. Here we are left with 124 and one place again vacant for the next cycle of steps. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 10 minus 4 is 6, bring down 25. See here we have 5. So our alternative will be 5 here, because always the square root of a number which ends with 5 is always having 5 in the units place. So let us see 1, 2, 4, 5 into 5 in the rough place, whether it is working or not. 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 4 is 20 into 22, 2, 5 is 10 into 12, 2, 1, 5 is 5 and 1, 6. See, 6 2 2 5. So 5s are. So we are getting 6 2 2 5 here, again 5 here, and then 5 for addition here. So see 0, 5, 2, 1. 625 2s are. It's 1250. So we are correct. So see. So what is our answer here? Root of 3,90,625 is equal to 625. This is our answer. Now let us work out for the next. See, again I am pairing. 41 will come in one pair, 82 in one pair, and 10 in one pair. And we shall write it down. 108241. So let us see how we can solve this question. See, 3 3s are 9. It's visible from here only. So 3 3s are 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Here plus 3. We are left with 6. Bring down 82. See, 62 2s are or 63 3s are. 63 3s are, you'll get 189. So we'll go for 62 2s are. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. We'll come down with 41. And here we'll have 64 with a one place vacant. Okay. Now see, here we have 1. That means what? Either 9 9s are 81 or 1 1s are 1. So 641 1s are will be 641. So it is not matching here. So let us see for 9. I am using the rough work here. So 649 into 9. Let us see. 9 9s are 81. 8. 9 4 is 36 and 8. How much is it? 36 and 8? 44. So 4, 4. 6 9 is 54 and 4, 58. So it is matching. 9s are. So if you subtract, you will get the remainder as 0. How much is here? 9 plus 9 is 18. 1, 4 and 1, 5 and 6. See, 658. Check it whether 329 multiplied by 2 is 658 or not. 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 to the 4 and 1, 5 and 2 3. See. So that means we are correct. So what is our answer for this? Root 108241 is equal to 329. Now let us see the next question. Now next one is, see, we can directly form pairs like this. This is how much? Read the number, 3,63,609. So if we pair up, we can write it as 36, then 36, then 0, 9. Now what shall we do? We shall start our table. See, so simple. 6 6 are 36. We are completed here. 0 0. Now we'll add 6 here. As you all know, 12, one place vacant. Now bring down 36. Even if you put 1 here, you will get 121. So this will not be suitable here. So just put 0 0 0 and then you will get 120 zeros are 0. So again the remainder will be 36 and you will bring down 0 9 and you have here 120 with one place vacant. Okay, 120 with one place vacant. So what will you do? Here you have to see for 7 7s are 49 or 3 3s are 9. So then only you will get 9 in the units place. So let us see 1 2 0 3 first. So 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So 3 times. So you are getting 3 6 0 9. So remainder is 0. How much is here? 3. 1 2 0 3 3s are plus 3 if you are putting, you will get 1 2 0 6. And see, 603 into 2 is equal to this one. So you are correct. So you can say that root of 363609 will be equal to 603. I hope children you are getting this thing. Now look here. Let us find square root for this number. How much is this? 1,20,409. Again do the same thing. Pair it up. So 12, then 04, then 09. So after pairing, let us see what we are going to get. Again see here, in this case also 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 is not suitable. So 3 3s are 9. Put here, then double 3, you will get 6. Gap here for the next cycle of steps. Then 12 minus 9 is how much? 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. Bring down 04. Now see here. 6 5s are if you are taking now. 5 5s are 25 and 6 5. So it will not be going. 6 4s are you take. That means 64 4s are. 4 4s are 16. 1. 24 and 1 25. It is coming 256. So 256 is suitable here. So we are putting 64 4s are. Okay. So this will be 256. Now 14 minus 6 is how much? 14 minus 6 is 8. How much is left here? 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here we are adding 4. We will get 68 with one place vacant. Now bring down 0, 9. What I told you children, when it is 9, either 7 will suit or 3 will suit. Because 3 3s are 9 or 7 7s are 49. Here we are having 48. So let us see 6 7s are 42. So better to look for 7 times. 7 7s are 49. 4 56 and 4 is 66. 36 and 6 is 36. 7 7s are 49. 4 56 and 4 60. 0 6 42 and 6 48. So this is 7 and we are getting 4809. here plus 7, so 7 7 14, 1 9 6, 694. Check whether 694 is coming correct. 347 into 2. So see, 2 7s are 14, 1, 4, 2 4s are 8 and 1, 9 and 3 2s are 6. So 694 is correct. So we can say that the square root of 1,20,409 is equal to 347. Okay. Now let us move towards the next question. Now what we have to do? We have to find the square root of, see, 7-digit number here. Okay, so this is how much? 14,71,369. So how shall we pair? We shall pair from the units place. So 69 one pair, 13 one pair, 47 one pair, and 1 is left alone. So we shall put 1, then 47, then 13, then 69. No problem, it's also easy if you follow the steps properly. 1, so starting will be 1 ones are 1. You will add plus 1 here, you will get 2 and 1 place vacant. So you here 0, bring down 47. See, if you put 2 here, 2 2s are 22, 2s are 44, 23 3s are will not be suitable. So we shall go for 2. So 22 2s are 44. So we are getting 24 here with 1 place vacant. 7 minus 4 is 3. So here 0. We shall bring down the next pair, that is 13. See here, if we are going to put 2 here, what will happen? You have to have 4 in the hundreds place. So it is 3. So we shall go for 1. So 1s are 241. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 11 minus 4 is 7. Here plus 1 will get 242 with 1 place vacant. Now bring down 69. See here 9, that means either 3 3s are or 7 7s are. Since 24 3s are 72, so let us go for 2 4 2 3 into 3. How much is it coming? Let us see. It will be 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 4 are 12, 2 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So it is coming 3s are. So we have 7 2 6 9 and here 3 times plus 3. So 2 4 2 6. See 1 2 1 3 multiplied by 2 will be how much? 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. See 2 4 2 6. So we are correct. Here the remainder is 0. So what is our answer to this? A root of 1471369 will be equal to 1213. So we can write here also. I'm just putting like this after the rough work. Root of 1471369 is equal to 1213. So this is your final answer. Now let us go to this question. 57121. See, 5-digit number. So for 5-digit number again, see here 57,121. If you pair up, what will happen? 21 will come in one pair, 71 in one pair, and 5 in one pair. So put 5, then 71, then 21. No need to worry. It's very simple if you follow the steps properly. 2 2s are 4, the first step. Plus 2 you'll put, you'll get 4, and then vacant place for the next cycle of steps. 5 minus 4 is 1, bring down 71. Okay, now see, 4 4s are 16, but the last number is 1. So we can say that it will not be suitable. So let us go for 43. 43 3s are 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12, 129. If you go for 4, what will happen? 4 4s are 16, 1, and then 4 4s are 16, 176 it will come. So it is not suitable. 43 3s are, how much is it? 129. So plus 3, we have 46, and then one place vacant here. 11 minus 9 is 2. Here how much is left? 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now bring down 21. Is it not? Correct. Now see, 21 you have brought it. Now you are having 1 here. So 1 here means either 1 ones are or 9 nines are. We have two options. But 1 ones are will get only 461. Ones are 461. So it's very clear that we have to go for 9. So see, 9 nines are 81. 8. 6 nines are 54 and 8. 62. 6. 9 4 is 36 and 6. That is 42. So 469 nines are 4221. So you are getting remainder 0 plus 9 if you do here. So you will get 9 plus 9 18 1 7 478. Check it. 239 into 2. 9 2s are 18 1 3 2 is 6 and 1 7 2 2 is 4. So this is correct. So we can say that square root of 55 lakh, no, square root of 57,121 will be equal to 239. So children, I hope if you will solve all the 8 questions properly, you will get practiced how to solve for the square root of a given number by long division method.